Welcome to Reading is Best channel. In this video, I am going to talk about classical conditioning of behavioral perspective. Classical conditioning was developed by Ivan Pavlov. In this form of learning, a neutral stimulus is repeatedly paired with a stimulus that naturally produces a particular response. The result is that eventually the neutral stimulus alone produces that particular response. In Pavlov's well-known experiments with dogs, a neutral stimulus such as a light or a tone or sound of bell was paired with food, a stimulus that reflexively produces salivation. After repeated pairings of these two stimuli, the light or tone or sound of bell alone began to elicit salivation or produce salivation. Before conditioning, sound didn't produce any kind of response from dog. Here, sound is called neutral stimulus. During conditioning, when sound was paired with food, the dog produced salivation. This process was repeated several times. Here, in this scenario, food is an unconditioned stimulus and salivation is unconditioned response. After conditioning, the dog started producing salivation just after hearing the sound even when there was no any food. Here, sound becomes conditioned stimulus, whereas salivation becomes conditioned response. This is the basic idea of classical conditioning. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, then you can click the like button. And if you have any kind of queries or suggestion, you can comment in the comment box below. And please subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.